The future of data collection is wearable. Introducing the powerful WD200 rugged mobile computer. For warehousing, supply chain operations, order picking, inventory management, and delivery confirmations, the WD200 handles your toughest jobs with ease. Its lightweight form factor clocks in at 3.8 ounces and gives the competition's 8.7-ounce rival a run for its money. An adjustable Velcro wrist strap attaches comfortably for all-day use. The WD200 runs on the most up-to-date operating system, the Android 10, ensuring smooth task completion and easy input. Google Mobile Services provides access to Google's productivity tools and updates for streamlining workflow with your team. A powerful 2.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor optimizes productivity and performance while extending the battery life. A versatile configuration means it can be worn not just on the wrist, but clipped into lanyards and fixed onto belt clips. Add optional accessories to boost productivity and facilitate scanning tasks. For seamless integration, Unitech's MS652 Plus wireless ring scanner pairs with the WD200 with just a tap using NFC technology. Or switch it up with the ring scanner for plug-and-play functionality. Simply connect the device to the WD200 and start scanning. For voice-picking applications, a Bluetooth headset coupled with the WD200 are the perfect companions for enhanced data collection without a barcode scanner.
Pick item 062B.
Check. Next item.
Pick item 051F.
Check. Next item. A 3.1-inch wet-resistant display features an ultra-responsive, fully capacitive touchscreen and works with or without gloves on. A ruggedly built casing protects the WD200 from drops of up to 5 feet on hard surfaces, so you're protected anywhere you go. The WD200 is also IP67 rated, shielding the inside from water sprays, dust, dirt, and the occasional water spill. Wi-Fi connection and LTE cellular service allows instant team communication for streamlined workflow. For a wearable device capable of all-day work, trust in a device that won't wear you down. Trust in Unitech's WD200 wearable computer for the best in data collection.